Hey guys, thanks for clicking on this video. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much. And if you're not, go on ahead and hit that subscribe button. So today I'm recording a wash day video. So I'm going to show you guys my wash day routine. It's very simple, nothing crazy at all. As you can see right now, I'm just taking out my braids. Right now, I'm just making sure that my hair is completely drenched before I put the shampoo in. So yeah, just wetting my hair up, making sure it's nice and wet. Okay, so I'm done rinsing my hair or wetting my hair. Now I'm just patting my face dry because I need a dry face in order to start shampooing. So the shampoo I'm using is Refreshing Scalp Tea Tree Mint Shampoo by OGX Extra Strength. So this shampoo, I just like to use minty shampoos because I really like how they feel on my scalp. And OGX is definitely a reliable brand. Yeah, so I would definitely try it out. They have so many different um, types of shampoo and conditioner that you can use. So yeah, I'm just lathering up my hair. I'm focusing on the scalp mainly because that's where I tend to have a lot of product buildup. So yeah, just focusing on the scalp and bringing the shampoo down the shaft. So yeah, just making sure my scalp is nice and clean. And I really enjoy this shampoo because I feel like it still leaves a bit of moisture in my hair. And normally when I shampoo my hair, it strips any bit of moisture, and that's one thing that I hate about shampooing. And if you saw when I was finger detangling my hair, the curls at the end still look very moisturized. So that's something that I definitely appreciate about this shampoo. I have to focus on my scalp a lot because I OD with the product. So, yeah, I have a lot of product on my scalp and it really helps me to cleanse it and get that off. So, yep, that's what I was doing. And I think I'm about to start rinsing any second now. Nope, not rinsing, just playing around in my hair, actually getting it more tangled up. I'm not really sure why I'm doing all of this. I guess just for video purposes. Um, yeah. So, yeah, that was a mistake right there. Okay, now I'm gonna start rinsing. So now that that's all rinsed out, I'm actually going to shampoo again. So this isn't 100% necessary, but I kind of just want to make sure that it's clean. And I mean, I'd rather shampoo twice than shampoo once and still have product on my scalp. Because I know once I do it twice, there's no way that I still have any buildup. Okay, so that's all rinsed out. Now we're done with shampooing and time for conditioning. So I'm gonna be using this Hask Tea Tree Oil and Rosemary Invigorating Conditioner. I actually talked about this, well, not really talked about it in depth, but I mentioned buying it in my last video, the slick back bun styling cream video, so if you want to go watch that, you can. Well, I would really appreciate that. But yeah, this conditioner smells exactly like men's cologne. Oh my gosh, it smells really good. But yeah, so I'm just applying that to my hair. Nothing crazy, like I said in the beginning. So I applied the conditioner to the top, and now I'm just focusing on the ends because when I start to detangle, I have to go from the tips first and then go to the roots. So I need to make sure that the ends of my hair are coated with conditioner because it'll just make the detangling process easier. And now I'm just gonna part my hair down the middle to give myself two sections to work with. Oops, I ran into a tangle. Okay, got through that. So yeah, just parting it down the middle. Um, I'm going to clip up this side. And now for this half, I'm going to separate that into two parts as well, just to make it easier for me to detangle because I do not like detangling. Like, that's the worst part of wash day. So yeah. And now I'm just adding more conditioner. So now I'm just starting to detangle. I'm using a wide tooth comb and I'm just combing out the ends and then working my way up to the roots. So I'm finally done this one baby section. So now I'm just gonna twist it up and just a little loose twist, nothing perfect or anything. And we're gonna go on to the next section after this. Mind you, I definitely forgot to add more conditioner, so I think that's partly why I was struggling so much with this section too. That was a huge fail on my part. I forgot all about that. I guess just in the heat of the moment, I just wanted to finish, like I said, so yeah. Oh my gosh, I made it to the end of the right side, my left, your right side. Oh my gosh, now I can start on this side. So yeah, I'm just trying to get this clip out of my hair. It's a bit tangled in. I really learned for the first time. My sister told me I should add water when I'm going in and detangling the second side, and it made such a difference. Like, if you can see now, the conditioner is kind of lathering up more and it's creating so much more slip. And on the other side, I didn't add any water, so you kind of saw that I was conditioning or detangling on dry hair basically. But adding water makes a huge difference, and that's, if you take anything away from this video, I would highly recommend that. So we're just rinsing out the conditioner. Rinse, rinse, rinse. And we're done. Woo! So yeah, we shampooed and we conditioned. So basically, 2/3 of wash day are complete. So now I'm just squeezing out some of the water so that it's not like dripping wet when I get out. And then I'm just gonna pin it up and then get out because now it's time to style it. Okay, so now for the styling part, it's super easy because I'm literally just going to put it back into the two braids that I had in the beginning of the video. At this point, I don't even do like a clean part or anything. I just use the part that I have. Um, and yeah, I'm just gonna put some leave-in conditioner in, put some grease, and then put some oil. So the leave-in conditioner I'm using is this Miele Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Leave-in Conditioner. Um, this stuff, I actually really like it. I use a lot, but it does really moisturize my hair. And I love thick leave-in conditioners because I feel like it really helps to keep the moisture in my hair. And this one is like the perfect thickness. My favorite leave-in conditioner is from the brand TGIN, but I actually just ran out of that. So yeah, I've just been using this one for now. So now I'm gonna take this Nature's Blessings grease. Um, you can get this at, well, I get this from my beauty supply store, and I just use it um, to coat the hair. So I find that it really helps to keep the moisture in, like a sealant, not a coater, like it seals the moisture in. Now we have Afro Sheen's 3-in-1 Nourishing Oil. So this, I'm just gonna use it on my scalp to grease my scalp a bit. And then I take some of the oil in my hand and I just put it on my ends. Okay, so when I realize that I like how everything feels, like nice and moisturized, I then take my soft bristle brush and I kind of just mold the front how I want it to stay. Now I'm just separating it into 3 parts so I can do a little plait. Yay, we're done braid number 1. So I'm just smoothing it out and now we're gonna start on braid number 2. Also, I just wanted to say if you made it this far into the video, I really appreciate you. Like, I'm so happy. Thank you so much for watching. And you might as well just subscribe at this point. Yes. So we're really done. So now I'm just gonna take 2 bobby pins and pin the braids up. This is just to make sure that that the braids stay stretched. So that's my wash day routine. Like I said in the beginning, very simple. And yeah, we're at the end and thank you so much for watching. We are done. Thanks for watching, guys, and please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.